Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Good morning everyone. The moon is there. Ayan, bilog. Bilog ang buwan. So, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday today. April 11, everyone. April 11. And time check is 4:10. 4:10 na. Everyone, ang ganda ng buwan, oh. Bilog na bilog. Bilog. Pero hindi pa siya ganun kalaki. Ayan na. Tapos, our weather for today is 7 na malamig. And later, pag may araw na is 21. So, ayun lang everyone. Kaya, pang winter pa rin ang attire. OOTD of the day. Winter. Dahil malamig. As in, malamig. Hindi na kaya ng katawang lupa ng lola nyo. Ayan lang. Let's do my 15 minutes walk and 1 bus, everyone. See you when I see you. Bye at the moment. Kain tayo, everyone. Good morning. Mayong aking good morning. Good morning everyone. Dito ako sa daanan ng 70. Gonna wait for the bus is coming. It's there everyone. So I'm gonna drop at yeah, there. I see it. Thank you. Doon yung work ko. Pasok. Ayan everyone. Nakapasok ko. Tulong for today.
Kensington Road, Royal Albert Hall.
Later ako mag-train after ng daan kasi ako sa Marks and Spencer. Yan everyone, dito tayo sa Plutas. Kasi Plutas daw kami ngayon. May pineapple. Ang lalaki. Ang laki ng apple. Super tapos dito yung iba pa. So what's up man? Ayan everyone, uuwi na ako. Ay, hindi. No, I'm done dito na ako. I'm done here in Marks and Spencer. Dito ako dadaan sa mag-train tayo everyone. Pakita ko sa inyo ang view ng High Street Kensington Station. Yeah, that's it. So let's go here at mag-train tayo. Going home, everyone. Everyone, hindi yan ang train ko. Ang train ko ay manggagaling doon. So, nakalagay sa monitor, Circle Line, 5 minutes. So, let's sit first before anything else. 5 minutes na lang naman. Yan. Dito ako sa High Street. Dito tayo, everyone.
Train arrives, please use all available doors to board the train. Please mind the gap between.
I'm going home, everyone. Nearly at the caves. Nearly at my caves. Super init, grabe. Super init ng araw ngayon. Matindi po ang araw ngayon, everyone. Dito, summer na malamig. Pero, temperature is 14. Iinit pa hanggang 21. So, that's it at the moment. Pakita ko sa inyo yung may construction. Ang aming grabe ang init. Ang sakit sa mukha. Wala. Yan o. Yung kita nyo ba yun? Yun o, nakabox ang bubong. Nakabox ang bahay na tinitirhan namin ngayon o. Yan lang, everyone. Naka-scaffolding.
So dito, okay na.
Lunch tayo, everyone. While watching YouTube. Good afternoon, everyone. Hala, kainitan, everyone. Time check. 3:10 or 3:15, I think. Dito daan tayo dito kasi may masalubong ako eh. So, magulo ang aking kamay. Ang degrees natin ngayon is 20 to 21. Super init, diba? So, kaya ako eto. Update. Sama tayo sa sa pagpasok ko ngayon. Last day of the week, Friday. So, kainitan tayo. Grabe ang init. Pero yung suot ko is pang lamig pa rin. Kasi nga mamayang gabi pag uwi ko ay lamig naman. So, ayun, para iwas sakit. So, ayun lang, everyone. Ang update. See you after 2 trains at Algate. Ayan. Ayan, everyone. My train is here. Ayan, everyone. Pagabi nga. So, this is it. Pancit. Bukas na pala. Hello! Why you're early today?
Like, I arrived.
What?
I arrived. Just arrived.
Yeah, you're arrived because you're arrived. Uwian time, everyone. Malapit na sa bahay. Ilang hakbang na lang. At uwi na tayo. That's it and see you later, everyone.